Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be discussing about pronoun personal n. Before starting the video, please click on the I button on the screen for more videos. Please like, subscribe for the motivation. Pronoun personal is used to replace number 1 article partitive do, the l, the l, they, the d. Number 2 article contractor only the family do, the l, the l, they, the d, plus place. Number 3 adverb of quantity, like a lot of, a little of. Number 4 numbers like 1, 2, 3. Pronoun personal n is used to replace foods, drinks, things. For example, you drink some coffee. You drink it. In French, pronouns are placed before the conjugated verb in present tense, or the when there is only single conjugated verb. Second example, she wants some pencils. She wants it. Here in pronoun is it we use pronouns n to avoid repetition of foods, drinks, things. Third example, you want some water. You want it. Pronoun is placed before the helping verb like être or avoir. The tenses which are formed like passé compose follows the same rule for the placement of the pronoun personnel. Pronoun n is placed before the infinite f verb, the verb which is not conjugated. Second number, pronoun n replaces the places if it is followed by do, the l, the l, they, the, or d. In English, pronoun n means from there, and the placement has been already discussed in the previous slides. Number 3, pronoun n replace adverb of quantity. Point to remember: in positive sentence, we have to mention the quantity, but on the other hand, we don't have to mention the quantity in the negative sentence. Number 4, pronoun n replace the numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on. Point to remember: here in positive sentence, we have to mention the numbers, but in the negative sentence, we don't have to mention the numbers. If you like the video, please like, share with your friends for free tutorial for French grammar, and subscribe the channel, and please mention in the comment box on which topic you want more videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the playlist.